Hey boys, what's good in the hood? Stupid, it was dumb. Fully regret that now. Back in action, we're back in the action, man. Hey man, once again, I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing on the channel. It's friggin' awesome. Like, the views have gone up a little bit, which makes me like happy to wake up to, you know what I mean? And like reading your comments has been awesome. So if you guys want to leave some comments down below, thumbs up this video so we can grow a little bit more. More people I entertain, really, the better in my mind. Also, you know, money, I'm never gonna lie, is great, but mostly the entertainment part is what I'm after. Netflix, hit me up, I'm ready to go. Movie, whatever. Documentary on addiction, I'm down with it. Whatever. Just stupid. Stop, Brad. Anyway, thank you guys for the support. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Let's try to keep this a little more PG-13, huh? Also, man, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. It's the website we have. It's down below. If you guys like jewelry, we've got jewelry that you might or might not dig. I pick all the styles myself, so I think it's kind of revolving around what you guys might like, but you know, do what you want to do, you know? Buy if you want to buy, but it'd be sick. Sorry, I'm just cleaning the screen. I love doing sponsorships for myself because I could just be absolute real talk about it. Now, everything's free on the website, but not really because you have to pay shipping, so it's not free, but like, I give you guys the best price I really can afford, especially with paying the people that I'm paying to run the website. And you could actually add 2 free things that you see on the website to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So that's like 2 things for like not a lot of money. NameBranFam.com, bro. Please shop or don't, but shopping would be sick. What's going on here? Is that light in the back pissing anyone else off? I'm gonna just fix that. Better. Alright man, so we are getting into a video that you guys have been hitting me up on Instagram to do a lot. I guess this company runs a lot of ads. They must, because a lot of people have been saying, you need to get this watch right here. Honestly, it looks pretty sick. What we're kind of looking at is like kind of like a full out diamond watch. We've never done any of those. So obviously it's fake diamond. Obviously it's fake because what I spent on this watch was like 80 something dollars American. So we got to check it out, honestly, because you guys really wanted to see it. But also, when I got the ad for them, I also got an ad for them. It showed that the diamonds, like, I'm gonna just play it right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? We'll play it again. They're testing diamonds while showing off their watches. So they're not really saying off like regular talking, I guess. I don't know. They're not saying out their mouth or out text that it's gonna pass the diamond tester, but that's kind of what they're trying to tell you guys. It's a marketing scheme. I doubt it's gonna pass the diamond tester, but we had to check this thing out because I think this watch is like pretty sick looking for, like I say, the price point that we got it for. Without further ado, man, we don't really need to spend too much more time talking about it. The package is right here. It took forever to come in. But hey man, I'd be lying to say, like, you guys know I try not to rock fake jewelry or anything like that. I do it because most people can, there we go, we got the box. Can relate to fake jewelry, and that's kind of what a lot of people's budgets are on, so that's why I do some of these. I will say right now, no word of a lie, we have about $40,000 worth of jewelry coming in within the next month. We're gonna be doing videos on. We're very lucky to start getting a lot more sponsors with this, so just look out, man. We're gonna be having a lot more real jewelry soon. Without further ado, we have the box right here. Cool. It's a skin, I don't know what that says. Skin, I don't know. Real or fake, man, this watch looks like it could be kind of dope. And they said they're wrong. You have to be kidding me, man. I'm not even surprised at this point. A lot of times, freaking websites, man, they send you the wrong damn thing. It's happened so many times. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can't see my order number or anything. See, that's what we were trying to get. That's my order number, or not order number, not trying to show you that. And that's how much I paid. How much was it? It was $86.98. So we just got the wrong watch. I'm not even surprised at this point. Now I'm just thinking about how this is gonna affect the video. There's no need to rage. We're trying to be happy here. Okay, so they sent the wrong watch. All right, let's think about that. Still gonna test the diamonds because that's what it's mainly about. What we have here is just a cool iced out watch, really, with a lot of mechanical mechanisms. This is not what I ordered, bro. I guess it's some mechanical in it. All of a sudden, this just got so much worse. I can't even show this. I can't even show this. Excuse the mess, boys. Getting a deck put in right now. This goes there. That's what's gonna happen right now. There we go. Cool. Oh, it's already broken. It already broke. What a piece of garbage. good to go. Sorry for that bad lighting. Man, I just watched back that previous take of us inside. You guys might be a little confused right now about what happened because I didn't actually say, I just reacted. I didn't actually see what the issue was with that and why I just destroyed that, but let's go in and I'll figure it out. I think every goes according to a plan, I swear to God, man. Alright, sorry. So what I just saw on this, I swear I wouldn't have even purchased this if I knew. I do not 100% condone this. One thing on YouTube is you cannot have fake watches in your videos and stuff like that. You can't be buying fake stuff. That was a Richard Mille fake. That's what I saw on the face of it. You can't be doing that. I don't promote it. I ain't trying to get sued. You know what I mean? So now that we ripped off all this crap, it was bad quality anyway. I'm not even going to give you the website now because it's absolute garbage. Can't be doing it. God, this is all for my safety. I'm really just trying to make this a video. So that's what we had. The glass is shattered and we tried our best to destroy the fake. I will be burning this later for my safety. Don't sue me once again. Yeah, you can't be buying fake stuff. That's sorry. I had to destroy that right away. There's no way that I can even promote that. It's sketch, man. They'll come after you and I can't handle that. I don't want to handle that. Anyway, we can still diamond test it though and see if this company was lying. Gotta let her heat up. Fucking idiots, man. He sent me the wrong watch and even on the website, it didn't even say it was a fake watch, man. It said nothing about that. All it said is mechanical watch. We all saw in the title they had no sort of logo on the watch. This is bad, don't do it, but we're still gonna diamond test it. We need something here, man. She's heated up, as y'all know. Real stuff, if it touches it, goes all the way to there. That's how the diamond tester works. We're gonna take this puppy right here. It's the same company, so they're probably using the same diamonds as the watch we were supposed to frickin' get. Put her on. That's metal. And I'm hitting the diamond too. I'm actually not too shaky today, which is crazy. I still am, but yeah. She doesn't pass one video, I swear I'm gonna get it right, bro. But like this one wasn't even my fault. That's why I'm still gonna put this on YouTube. I just had a little thought outside while I was smashing that. Literally in my head, I'm like, what am I gonna do here, bro? Do we need to put this out? Yeah, I need to, because y'all know the website I'm talking about. Don't shop there. You know, they're liars. They're thieves. And they're somewhat of like flying dragon serpents, because I do not promote, once again, fake things, so that's why we destroyed it. I'm gonna go burn this in the fire pit now, or like with like a lot of gasoline, probably throw it in the volcano. Might take a quick trip out there later. YouTube, if you're watching. What were they? Richard Mille, if you're watching. This will be fully taken care of, trust me. Goodbye. Oh, check out the new artwork, boys. We're working on her. All right. Yard's a mess. Bye.